If you did the try this correctly, you should have started by multiplying by the conjugate. So you would have 4 over secant of x plus tan of x, and then you can multiply by secant of x minus tangent of x, which is the conjugate. And then you can go ahead and you can multiply. So distribute the 4 on the top. We get 4 secant of x minus 4 tan of x. And then if you notice, this is a difference of squares as well because they are opposites. And so when we multiply those out and simplify, we get secant squared x minus tangent squared x. Then if we use our Pythagorean identity, so you should notice that we have two things that are squared, and secants and tangents go together. So we can use that and just rearrange it a little bit. So that comes from the Pythagorean identity that tangent squared theta, or tangent squared x plus 1, is equal to secant squared x. And if I want secant squared minus tangent squared, all I have to do is subtract that tangent squared over to the other side, and I get 1 is equal to secant squared x minus tangent squared x. And so I can replace this denominator here with just a 1. So we have 4 secant x minus 4 tangent of x over 1, which anything divided by 1 is just what you started with, so we can just say this is 4 secant of x minus 4 tangent of x. And we're done. If you have questions, let me know.